Hi, I'm Carole and welcome to Yoga for Life with Living Lotus Online. This short video is designed for gardeners. It's a snack size movement break that you can do before, during and after your gardening. You don't need any special equipment for class, so just come to a standing position and we'll get started. So come into your standing position, bring your feet about hip width apart and just get nice and comfortable there. You're going to take a deep breath in and let it go. And then just find a moment to muster a little bit of gratitude for getting to work in and with nature today. Inhale, reach your arms up and overhead, palms meet. Exhale, bring your hands all the way down to heart center. From here, widen your feet a little bit so the toes point out. We're gonna get right on into it and bend the knees, sink the hips, come on down, deep yogi squat. You can always bring your hands down to the ground in front just for a little bit more stability if you'd like. But wherever you are, a little sway. Start to release any tightness in the hips and in the low back. Find center, deep breath in. And on the exhale, tip forward, hands down to the ground, and bring your knees down to the ground. Now you're going to keep your seat up, but drop it to forearms, just giving the opportunity for the shoulders to relieve any tension. Lower your head towards, but not all the way down to the earth. Take a deep breath, and let it go. Another one, and out. And continue to breathe naturally. Lifting up, bring hands down, lift up your knees and walk your feet towards you nice and wide. As you begin to lift up, lengthen spine and bring forearms to thighs here. You're in a wide chair position, your seat's out behind you. Add a little sway from side to side. Again, the opportunity to kind of let go of any tension in the hips and the low back. And then from here, come to center, lengthen a bit more, bring your hands to your thighs, just to add this little bit of a brace. See if you can find that cow-cat spine. So inhale, lift your chest and your gaze, and then exhale, round the spine a little, tuck chin into chest. Inhale, let's find cow spine. And exhale, round once again. One more of these, and round. And then find a nice neutral spine and lengthen through the legs. Bring your feet in about hip width apart and we'll focus on the neck. So dropping your left ear towards your left shoulder, you can take your left hand, just rest it on the temple and then lengthen the right arm away. See how this feels? If you want to take it any deeper, you can sweep that right hand around to the low back and encourage the right shoulder to open slightly. And then reset the right arm, the left arm, and then the head, and take it to the other side. Again, take a breath with that left arm extending away, just to feel into it. You can take it further by bringing the left hand behind to the small of the back. And then reset left arm, right arm, and then reset the head. Widen your stance a little bit here. Reach your arms out to the sides. Think about a nice big star shape. Inhale, and then exhale, you're going to interlace the fingers and bring it to the back of the head. Inhale to lift your heart a little, and then exhale, wide leg forward fold, come all the way down. From here, just start to sway it out a little from side to side. And then finding center, hands aren't pressing, but they are applying a little bit of pressure to the back of the neck. So you're encouraging some length down the back of the neck there. Release your hands, bend your knees a little, come all the way up. Left hand, left hip, right arm up and over, side stretch. Come tall, switch it up to the other side. And then come back into center. From here, open up the left toes, square off the right foot. So think about warrior two legs. Reach your left arm out in front of you, bend your left knee, and then the right arm, big sweeping circle. Take it up and open. Again, up and open, and then reverse it. One more. Keep the arms wide, swap out the feet. So you're gonna go in the other direction. This time left arm, big sweeping circle. 2 times. and switch it up. Other way. Come back into center, find your nice wide star. Release your hands, heel toe it in just a little bit. And then we're gonna just do one last thing, focus on the wrists, because if it's anything like my garden, you're gonna be doing a lot of weed pulling. So reach your right arm out in front of you. Left fingers are gonna take a hold of the right fingers as you draw them up towards the sky. Keep breathing. And then flip that. So fingers now pointing down, left fingers holding on to right and just pulling them towards the arm slightly. And switch it out for the other side. And flip it. And then just release your hands down by your sides. Take one last big final breath and a full body stretch on the inhale. And exhale. Thanks so much for joining me. Happy gardening. Thanks for practicing with me today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check our website, livinglotusonline.com, where you will find information about our online studio as well as drop-in classes. What kind of Yoga for Life topics would you like to see being offered? Let me know by commenting below. Have a great day.